Hello guys, our menu for today is Pinapaitan. This is a very good soup, especially on winter time because there is a ginger and lemon that is simmered with the soup. We're going to use 1 piece of lemon, onion, a little bit of oil, ginger, beef shank, beef tripe, pinapaitan mix, and salt to taste. Let's start cooking. Heat the pan and put the oil. Put the onion, ginger, beef shank, cook until it's brownish. Let's put the beef tripe. The tripe is already cooked for an hour and cut into small cubes. Add about 4 cups of water. Pinapaitan mix. Lemon and bring to boil. I hope you try it, guys.
And if you try it, please leave a comment below. I love to read all your comments.
Up next, in our channel, we're going to cook egg roll.